I peak? Did I peak at 30? And I was like, oh, no, I didn't peak. I'm just getting started. I'll hire myself.
Steven, your business has evolved just leading this monster agency, my Amazon guy.
We managed about $1 billion of Amazon sales with 400 brands. So it's getting harder. Amazon is entering the maturity phase, and so they're putting up more rules. They're making it harder on the current sellers in the space. They push people out of Vendor Central. The sophistication that we saw the aggregators that we thought that they would bring to the table but failed at and went bankrupt. What the heck is this? They're going to fail. They failed because they didn't have tenacity and grit. I structurally think that the choice that I made as an agency to stick to the basics has really paid off. And I can win a fight just using those 1-2 punches. Those basics are enough. We've also seen that Amazon, who had former enemies, because the enemy of my enemy is now my friend. I think Amazon's a monopoly. I think it's beneficial to the consumer in most regards, but they take advantage of people. And in this case, it's sellers. Amazon's still worth doing. There's a lot of reasons for that. And realistically, a 15% net margin, still doable on Amazon today and still respectable in almost any industry.